It's January 2nd, 2021, and I'm at the Orange Springs boat ramp. And all this was sprayed. This aquatic vegetation, water hyacinths, mostly, some water lettuce. And this is the run that people use to get out to the river. It goes way out there. You can see the brown line where the herbicides were applied. And it's still blocked, obviously. Airboats can get through here. And a couple of boats are out. I'm sure they went out the Orange Creek over there. That's not exactly Orange Creek. I mean, if you go along there, you can get out to the river now, but you might bump a few things. So, more herbicide applications in Rodman.